Hello, so I have here an iPhone 13, I think it is, yeah. The ugly color, I really hate this color, the green one. Apparently, I think it doesn't start, it doesn't say much and I can't understand very well what's written there. But let's put it on the charger. So on the charger, yeah, we can see here how it tries to start charging, then it stops, it goes back to 0, then it starts, go back to 0, so that indicates a short on the phone. Okay, so let's proceed in opening it and see how it looks like inside. Alright, so I put the phone on the heat plate. We can see that the display is cracked here. See, it has a crack from this corner up there. This is just for my personal evidence. It's staying on the heat plate for about 2 minutes at 70 degrees, and then I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna pause the video until the phone is cooked, and then we can try to remove the display. Okay, so I think it's warm enough. Let's see. I don't really like the fact that it's cracked. Let me push it a bit like that. So I don't get it by the crack. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use a lot of alcohol, a lot of IPA here. Alright, luckily it did come up. Good, so I think we're safe. I really don't like opening cracked display phones. It is a bit of risk. Okay. Now let's see, let me add some more IPA here. Alright. Display is off. And now I'm gonna take off the shield so we can disconnect the battery and try the phone with a power supply and see if we can tell where the short is. One shield is off. Good. Of course, this screw is different. Alright, I'm gonna also disconnect the display. I don't really care about it right now. And let's give it a try. This is the 13, the connector for the 13. I need to put it the other way around. So I'm powering on the power supply. You can see it there on the left corner, and it didn't look bad at all. So yeah, I'm prompting it to boot, and it jumps straight to 1.8 milliamps, 1.8 amps. That's good, because I believe this one will be a short circuit on the NAND power lines. So let me grab the thermal camera. I hope it's on the power lines, otherwise I hope it's not inside the board, so we have to remove the board and you know, do all that stuff. Let me power on. the camera software, and let's pray for a short here. I'm powering on the phone. Yeah, don't see anything relevant here, and I'm gonna prompt it to boot. You can see the thermal camera. I'm gonna power on the phone, right? And I'm gonna prompt it to boot now. Yeah, and we can see that cap over there. Can you see it? On the corner of the NAND? Yeah, so we're gonna go for it. I turned off the supply. Let's jump under the microscope and see how it looks like. Alright, so let's remove the prick. I don't want to apply any kind of heat. You can see here on the foam that it already melted. So it's this big one here. Let's see if we can remove some of this glue around it. Without applying any drop of heat. Now usually these ones are breaking physically because of the flexing of the board in this position where they are now. So I hope the rest of the phone will work properly, but I don't have the code, the passcode, but I'm gonna put again a SIM card in it and see if at least we get any service. Yeah, so I removed it. Okay, we're never gonna put that back. It's too risky. So let's get back here under this camera and let's try to start it again on the power supply. We should get a good boot behavior. If I can ever plug this. Jesus Christ. Okay, so power supply on, you can see it there. Yeah, good prompt to boot, and we seem to have a normal boot start. Yeah, it looks like the phone is booting, so I'm gonna remove the power. And let's put the display back. It is possible that this battery will be drained. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna plug the charger. You can see the charging there. Yeah, and there's the battery is flat. So I'm gonna leave it charging for a while. I'm gonna put the shields back and resume the video when it has charged. Cool, so I jump to fast charging. Phone is on. I have full signal here. Let me call it. Let me first put the screen back because this will be a bit difficult with this cracked screen. Alright, good. Let's do the screws. Mm-hmm. Alright, so phone is on. Pussy palm. Phone is on. Let's call it. Yeah, it's ringing. Hello? Hello? Yeah, so all good. This was an easy one. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much. Bye.